Hello everyone and welcome to the webinar. I'm your presenter Akriti Jain from meetuniversity.com and today we are going to discuss the study opportunities in Poland. Poland is a fascinating country that serves as a geographical and cultural crossroads of Eastern and Western Europe. Located at the center of Northern European plain, Poland has been a nation of survivors since the foundation of the first Polish states more than 1,000 years ago. Through its turbulent history, its people have managed to maintain their identity, and today the country enjoys a crucial position as the largest of the former Eastern European states and one of the most populous members of the European Union. Situated in the center of Europe, Poland is among the largest and most populous countries in the region, ninth largest in Europe by area and sixth in the European Union by population. Poland has enjoyed strong economic growth in the recent years, particularly since joining of European Union in 2004. In the midst of economic crisis in 2009, Poland was the only European nation to report economic expansion. With a history dating back for over 1,000 years, Poland's cultural heritage is incredibly rich. This includes its long-lasting traditions in the higher education sector, with the first university in Poland founded in 14th century. Today, Poland is becoming an increasingly popular study destination, with more than 46,000 international students choosing to study there in 2014-15. For many of those who choose to study in Poland, the country's appeal is augmented by its relatively low living cost, which remains below most of the European members. Universities' fees are likewise relatively affordable, typically no more than US dollars 4,000 per year. Economic system in Poland. Poland is a great country to study. Here you will find a wide selection of courses you can take at a low cost. Polish universities are eager to welcome foreign students, while Polish cities not only offer suitable conditions for studying but also boast plenty of attractions. Polish education has a long and impressive academic tradition and its roots going back as far as Middle Ages. In almost every big city, there are public and private schools offering third level education. Course availability is rich, and the schools are continuously expanding their offering to suit the market demand. Polish diplomas are recognized by European Union and worldwide, and in countries like US, Canada, and Australia. Studying in Poland gives you a solid education and a better chance to find a job in the European Union and beyond. The high quality of Polish education can be seen in the fact that many Polish scientists have built an international careers. In Poland, higher schools of education can be public or private. Public schools are those which are funded fully or partially by the state. Private schools are fully financed by the private funds. Universities are always public schools, as are medical universities. Whether your school is public or private can make a huge difference when you plan to apply for a state scholarship. The following type of schools exist in Poland: universities, polytechnics or universities of technology, higher schools of pedagogy, medical schools or medical universities, academies of fine arts, films or theatre, music academies, higher school of physical education, and others. Since 2007-2008, academic year of Polish higher education system has been divided in three stages, which are bachelor's, master's, and doctor. This system applies to all the field of education except law, pharmacy, psychology, veterinary medicine, medicine and dentistry, which are still based on the two-stage system, master's and doctor. In accordance of the assumption of the Bologna process, a three-level studies has been introduced in the Polish universities. First degree studies, bachelor's degrees or engineering studies, allowing the acquisition of knowledge and skills within the specific scope of education, preparing for work in the given profession and ending with obtaining the bachelor's or engineering degree. Second degree studies, a master's degree studies, following the acquisition of the specialist knowledge within the specific scope of the education, preparing for creative work in the given profession, and ending with the obtaining of master's degree or an equivalent title. Third degree studies are doctoral studies for candidate with a master's degree or an equivalent title, allowing the acquisition of advanced knowledge in the specific field or science discipline, preparing for independent research and creative activity and obtaining the doctoral degree. Moving on to fields of study, each school offered a number of fields of study. A large number of foreign researchers work in Polish institutions of higher education, whereas their Polish counterparts lecture abroad. The success of Polish academics today has its roots in the past. The Polish system of education trains specialists in many fields. Almost 2 million people study in Poland. This is almost half of the population of student age from 19 to 24. Each year, 4 lakh graduate leave 500 institutions of higher education and universities. Students can choose from a multitude of studies. There are almost 500 universities and higher education institutions in Poland. Studies may be conducted at public university and state higher vocational schools as well as private or church-owned ones. Studies may be full-time or part-time. There is a total of almost 120 different fields of study from administration to zoology. Poland is becoming an increasingly attractive destination for international students. It is the crossroads between Eastern and Western Europe and has a rich and turbulent history. Students pursuing an MBA Poland degree can enjoy architecture and urban culture in some of the oldest cities in Europe. Polish business universities are well known in the region, which is reflected by their positions in the ranking. Warsaw School of Economics um, every year ranked very high in the Financial Times ranking. Other University of Economics in Poland are also very well known and take high positions in different ranking, like Edu Universal ranking. The reason why Polish universities are doing so well is that they offer a high quality programs which are less costly than similar programs in the Western Europe, and they provide students with good professional preparation for meeting the market demands. Business schools in Poland cooperate with the best universities in the world. Warsaw School of Economics forms a part of CEMS Alliance, which is the group consisting of the best business schools in the world. The Kosminski University is the only institution in the Center and Eastern Europe which is AACSP, EQUIS and EMBA accredited. The Poznan University of Economic and the Krakow University of Economic educate highly qualified managers and economic experts and are famous for their academic expertise and research. An MBA Poland program is for anyone who wants to add a competitive edge to his or her resume by gaining experience in leadership, business management, and negotiation. The program offers scientific approaches to business with courses focusing on several core areas of business principles. After graduation, those holding an MBA Poland degree are adept at international business relations in today's globalized economy. Courses will also improve students' strategic negotiations and analytical skills. MBA Poland program offers several exciting specializations such as sports management, healthcare, project management, executive MBA programs for managers as well. If you're looking for a country with one of the oldest and richest higher education histories in Europe, then you should consider a master's in Poland. You may consider getting your master's in Poland in one of the many dynamic and exciting cities with fascinating history and great studying environment. Polish universities, colleges, and schools offer a variety of subjects at the graduate level. Masters in Poland program offer vary from economics to business to technology and science and many more. Computer sciences lay the theoretical foundation of information and computer system as well as the application of those foundations. Whereas the theoretical computer science focus more on the formal methods, algorithms, and data structures, and applied computer sciences closes the gap to other disciplines and offer solutions in such areas artificial intelligence and health systems. Moving on to the admission requirements and the application deadline. If you would like to study in Poland, you would need to fill certain requirements. First of all you need is to be a graduate from a school which enables you to pursue further education at an academic level. Secondly, you need to legalize your stay in Poland for a period of your studies. Thirdly, you need to look after your health and safety. Finally, depending on the language you wish to study in, you need to submit a certificate confirming your knowledge at the proficient level, be it English or Polish. To qualify, all international applicants must first meet the minimum requirement for entry into higher education in their own country. Have the matriculation certificate or equivalent document. Command of English, at least on an intermediate level, is also required. Some departments of the arts, physical education, department preparing students for a teaching profession, medical and technical university may organize additional aptitude tests as well. Since Poland ratified the Lisbon Convention and the recognition of degrees in 2004, recognition of Polish diplomas has become easier internationally as well. Polish higher education lasts for 3 years at undergraduate or the bachelor's level and 1.5 years to 2 years at master's level. In order to apply, you need to provide proof of having successfully completed the previous level of studies along with the proof of English language proficiency. Some of the courses may require that you sit an entrance exam or present a portfolio of work. You can also choose to study in Polish if, in case you'll either need to submit a proof of proficiency in the language or enroll in a year-long language course to prepare for that. For the application deadlines, usually at Polish University, there are two enrollment. One is called summer enrollment, which is open in winter months like January and February. The second one is the winter enrollment, open in summer months like June, July, and August. If a particular university informs that an enrollment process is available anytime, it means that you can enroll any time of the year except during the holidays. The precise time and deadlines of the admission process differ depending on the university. Some of the university have only one enrollment each year. That's why it is helpful to make direct contact and ask for a current employment. Moving on to the cost. Beginning with the study cost, higher education in Poland is free for Polish citizens. If you wish to benefit from this as well, you'll need to sit at the same entrance exam as Polish student and study a course taught in the Polish language. Otherwise, international students are required to pay tuition fee, which are typically in range of US dollar 2,300 to 4,530 per year at a public university. Fees at private universities in Poland are slightly higher depending on the course and the institution. The fees could be US dollar 6,800 a year as well. Universities in Poland have recently stopped charging these fees in full upfront in order to ensure that fees do not present too much of a barrier for international students. So just to be specific, in Poland, full-time education at state institution of higher education is free for Polish students. Um, all other foreigners are required to pay tuition fee of no less than the amount equivalent to around 2,000 euros per year for professional higher studies, masters and postgraduate master courses, around 3,000 euros per year for doctoral, postgraduate, specialist courses, and scientific and artistic specialist and internships. Around 3,000 euros per year for vocational courses and apprenticeships, around 2,000 euros per year for language courses, including a course preparing for study in Polish. In justified cases, the rector of higher education institutions may the students request to reduce the tuition fee or waiver it altogether as well. Then looking at the living cost of living in Poland are relatively low, though the amount of money you need will vary depending on your lifestyle and the city you are based in. You'll probably need at least 1,200 to 2,500 Polish currency, which is equivalent to 320 US dollars to 670 US dollars per month to cover the living cost, including accommodation. Accommodation in student halls of residence is usually cheaper at around $110 to $160 per month, whereas the shared rental flat would cost around $270 to $430 per month. Health insurance is compulsory for all the students of for the entire length of their stay in Poland. Students from the European Union are eligible for free or discounted health care if they present the European health insurance card, while it's recommended for non-European Union students to buy health insurance either before or as soon as their arrival in Poland. Depending on your personal situation, lifestyle, and habits, you may have different needs. In practice, you will need at least 1,200 to 2,500 amount per month in order to cover the cost of decent accommodation, pay for the local transport, and even go out occasionally. This amount should cover the cost of rent, food, clothing, personal hygiene, local transport, study material, telephone, and other expenses. not the tuition fee included. Here is the approximate calculation of your monthly expenses. Accommodation in students' dormitory will cost around 400 to 600. Shared flat from 1000 to 1600 per month. Food from about 500 to 700. Books and entertainment about 200 to 300. Local transport bus would be about 65. The official uh, Polish currency is zloty, which in Indian rupees, I mean, one zloty is equal to 16.77 currently. Now, looking at the accommodation options, there are two kind of accommodations options available. Either you can live on campus or off campus. On campus are dormitories on campus, which are usually have the facilities that you will need, including lockers, bedding, TV set, free internet access, toilet, showers, facility, hot water, refrigerator, etc., as well as the communal kitchen. Dormitories generally offer single rooms or double rooms. You may also request to share a double room with a classmate. The cost of accommodation varies from 80 euros to 100 euros per month, depending on the university, city, and the type of room. For instance, some universities offer 9 accommodation options for international students to choose from. The on-campus dorms includes single rooms and double rooms, etc. For off-campus accommodation, international students can also choose to live off-campus. English listing for rental accommodation roommates can be found on the expat websites, and the estate agents are easy to find in Poland. The cost of renting off campus varies considerably depending on the location and condition of your apartment. So check the local listing to get a sense of prices. The international students typically pay around 150 euros to 200 euros per room per month, excluding the bill, though it is possible to find a cheaper accommodation. Prices for apartment vary from city to city. Like anywhere else, prices are related to quality and comfort. For example, the number of people who are sharing the room. The location and the size of a flat are also very significant factors. A one-bedroom flat with a shared kitchen and a bathroom is quite cheap, but a flat with large kitchen, dining room, bathroom is much more expensive, especially if it's located in the city center. One more very important factor that you would need to be informed about is healthcare. It is mandatory for international students to have a healthcare in Poland. Foreign students who do not have Polish origin or do not come from the European Union countries, in most cases have a private insurance which is required during the visa application. Unfortunately, this kind of insurance in most cases covers only accidents without general health consultations with doctors. So if you want to study in Poland, you can apply for a health insurance at the Polish National Healthcare Fund. The insurance cost ranges from 36 zloty to 279 zloty monthly, depending on the number of medical procedures included. However, it is less complicated, though, to get a private insurance with an insurance company in Poland. Private health insurance means that you receive a package of multiple services such as medical assistance. It includes medical transport, medicines, and 24 by 7 information. You can schedule consultations with doctors and health examiners in a network of health facilities across Poland. The package is available in regular and extended versions, all depends on your individual preferences and needs. Then, another important factor is public transport. Every city in Poland has its own public transport, so the prices of tickets differ from town to town. Being a student, you are entitled to a discount of public transport, which is usually 50%. You can buy a single ride ticket or daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly pass. In the academic cities, you can travel in a very convenient way. Just load your student's card in a special ticket machine and it will be valid for 30 to 90 days. It is much more convenient and cheaper than buying a single ride ticket. You can travel by bus, tram, metro, or train in Poland. Remember that the tram and bus tickets are not accepted on the trains. In order to avoid fine, always make sure that you have the right type of ticket suitable for the means of transport you have chosen. Apart from buses, trains, you can also travel by taxi in every Polish round. However, it is usually more expensive means of transport. The fares usually vary from 2 to 4 per kilometer and go up to 3.5 to 4.5 at a night time. Beware that some of the public transport companies are not registered as taxis. They may have a taxi sign, however, the phone number is usually missing. So they are usually a lot more expensive, so you would need to check. and you need to be careful about that. Moving on to a very important criteria as scholarship. Studying in Poland means quality of education at a low cost. Additionally, you can apply for various scholarship and discounts for international students. For example, the Polish government scholarship will not only pay your tuition fee, but will also give you a monthly allowances, which will cover some of your everyday living cost. The government scholarship is granted for a specific period of time. However, you may apply to extend it or cover the total time of your study in Poland. How can you do that? You need to apply for Polish consulate or embassy in your home country. If you would like to find out about the conditions have to be met in order to apply, check the application form at the Bureau of Academic Recognition and International Exchange. Moreover, you can apply for discounted college fees or even a tuition fee waiver if you are in a difficult financial situation or if you aim to pursue two fields of the study simultaneously. If you are of Polish origin and if this is verified by Polish consulate or the embassy, you are entitled to a lower fee at a University of Poland. A number of Polish universities have their own scholarship program, and these are up for grabs for international students too. Some international students can apply for Polish universities under the same conditions as Polish for the daily studies free of charge. This is the cases if they have the stay card, if they have the political status of a refugee, or if they are in a state of temporary protection in a Republic of Poland's territory, or they are migrating workers from another European Union country or under the Central European Free Trade Agreement and have been working and living in the country. Needless to say, the same entry requirements and apply for international students as the Polish ones. Last but not least, the visa rules, which are very crucial. Make sure that you are reading all the visa rules very, very carefully. The visa rules are less in number, but if you are planning right, if you have got admission in a good institution, it is just a very small checklist what you need to follow, and your visa will get through. European Union students do not need any Polish visa. However, upon arrival to Poland, they should apply for a temporary resident permit if they stay in the country for longer than 90 days. Non-European Union students need to arrive in Poland with a student visa obtained at the Polish embassy or consulate in the country of residence. It is important to remember that visas are granted for a maximum of 3 months. In order to extend the stay in Poland, it is necessary to apply for a residence permit for a specified period of time um, in office 45 days before the visa expiration date. For further assistance, students are strongly requested to contact the International Relation Office at the university. More practical information about coming to Poland, legalizing your stay, medical care and insurance, driving license, addresses of the diplomatic missions of the Poland is available on the embassy's website. Short stay visa entitles to stay in Poland for up to 3 months, while longer stay for up to a year. Extension of visa during the stay in Poland is possible, but only in cases of force or situation impossible to predict at the time of applying for a visa. Visa can be renewed only once. That is why it is important for non-European Union students to apply for a visa for the whole period of time in Poland. Students who have issued visa for the whole period of stay in Poland do not need to apply for a residence card. The applicant shall come to the embassy to submit their visa applications. The embassy reserves the right to request some additional documentation. All documents should be provided in English and attached to the visa application in A4 size copy. The visa process lasts about 15 calendar days. Now, the process may vary depend upon the country you came from. However, some of the requirements remain the same all the time, and they include a filled-in visa application form, valid passport, official letter of acceptance from the school in Poland, a short CV, your school certificates and diplomas, evidence of proficiency in the English in which you wish to study, confirmation of having the funds for studying and living in Poland, health insurance, and photo. So they are 10 in number, beginning from a filled-in visa application form, your valid passport. Your passport has to be valid till the time your course is valid. Your official letter of acceptance from a school in Poland, a short brief profile or resume about yourself, your school certificates and your diplomas you have earned, complete certificates, not the incomplete one. So in case your degree is still pending, you can always submit your provisional passing certificate. In case you have got your scores or you have got your mark sheet till your third year or the sixth semester and your mark sheet till seventh or eighth semester is still pending, do not apply for the visa. Apply for the visa after you have got those mark sheets. Evidence of proficiency in the language in which you wish to study, confirmation of having the funds for studying and living in Poland, health insurance, and a photograph. So with this, I'll end this webinar. I wish that this presentation was informative enough and it will help you in your studying in Poland and first. Have a nice day and thank you very much for listening to me today.